my name is Madeline Geiner, and this past summer I worked on a project that focused on examining the genetic diversity of parasitic worms within the Dracunculus genus. There isn't a whole lot of research available about some Dracunculus species, but we do know of Dracunculus insignis and Dracunculus lutrae, which can infect a variety of mammals that are present in North America. So the goal of my project was to get a better understanding of the genetic diversity of these Dracunculus parasitic worms that can impact wildlife species within the U.S. So for a total of 89 specimens, they were pretty much DNA extracted, and we chose a specific gene that could be used to differentiate the Dracunculus species for specimens and to help classify as to which species they were. And we were able to make a phylogenetic tree based off that. A majority of our specimens came back to be confirmed as one of the known species, this being D. insignis, and as you can see, they're from mainly two different hosts, being raccoon and otters, and from different states, Arkansas, Georgia, and Texas. However, some worm specimens were a bit different than what we expected. For example, D species A was closely related to one of the known species, being Dracunculus lutrae. However, it kind of has like its own subclade or subgroup, so this hints that it could be a novel Dracunculus species, as well as D species B, which has its own clade completely separate from the known Dracunculus lutrae and known Dracunculus insignis. And this also hints that these worms could be part of a new species present in the US. So overall, my results mainly came back to be as confirmed D. insignis. However, there is a prevalence of two different novel species that can impact wildlife, and some of them may even be able to impact mammals. So more research would be needed to better understand the pathogenicity of these novel species and where they lie geographically speaking for the US, and if they geographically overlap with the two known D. insignis and D. lutrae species in North America. Thank you for watching.